Can you guys see that bird sitting right there? What they're doing is they're eating the fish because the creek's starting to dry out, so the fish are drying up in the creek. There he goes. They're goofy, but you can sit here and watch them, and they just pick all the fish out of there like sardines. They love them. Kind of dark. I hope you guys can see that. You might walk over there where there's more light. Oh, there we go. You can see his reflection for sure. Alrighty guys, Craig Rivers from Rivers End Outdoors. Bye now.